In the entrepreneurial world, failure is not just a possibility, it's a certainty. However, the difference between winners and losers isn't the absence of failure, but rather the response to it. Winners lose more often than losers lose because they embrace failure as a stepping stone to success. This mindset is crucial for anyone aspiring to achieve greatness in business or any other field. Let's explore why winners lose more often, how they learn from their failures, and why this relentless pursuit of success, despite setbacks, is essential for entrepreneurial success. Embracing the reality of failure. One of the most significant misconceptions about success is that it comes without failure. In reality, failure is an integral part of the journey. Every successful entrepreneur has a long list of failures behind them. These failures aren't signs of incompetence, but rather evidence of relentless effort and experimentation. Winners understand that each failure brings them one step closer to success. They see each setback as an opportunity to learn, adapt, and improve. Take the story of Thomas Edison, for example. Edison's journey to inventing the light bulb was filled with thousands of failed experiments. When asked about his failures, he famously said, "I have not failed. I've just found 10,000 ways that won't work." Edison's mindset exemplifies the idea that winners lose more often because they keep trying, experimenting, and learning from their mistakes until they find the path to success. The learning process. Failures are not just obstacles. They are invaluable lessons. Winners analyze their failures to understand what went wrong and why. This analytical approach allows them to gain insights and make informed decisions in the future. Each failure is a learning opportunity that adds to their knowledge and experience. For entrepreneurs, this learning process is critical. The business world is dynamic and ever-changing. What worked yesterday may not work today. Winners stay ahead by continuously learning and adapting. They understand that failure is not a dead end, but a detour that provides new information and perspectives. Resilience and perseverance. Resilience is a hallmark of successful entrepreneurs. Winners don't give up after a failure, they persevere. This perseverance is fueled by a deep belief in their vision and a commitment to achieving their goals. They understand that setbacks are temporary and that persistence is the key to overcoming them. Consider the journey of Elon Musk. Musk faced numerous failures with his ventures, from the early struggles of Zip2 and X.com, which later became PayPal, to the near collapse of SpaceX and Tesla. Despite these challenges, Musk's resilience and perseverance kept him going. He didn't let failures define him. Instead, he used them as motivation to push harder and innovate further. Cultivating a growth mindset. A growth mindset is the belief that abilities and intelligence can be developed through dedication and hard work. Winners cultivate this mindset, which allows them to view failures as opportunities for growth rather than as reflections of their limitations. They believe that their potential is limitless and that they can always improve. Carol Dweck, a psychologist known for her work on the growth mindset, explains that individuals with a growth mindset embrace challenges, persist in the face of setbacks, see effort as a path to mastery, learn from criticism, and find inspiration in others' success. For entrepreneurs, adopting a growth mindset is crucial. It enables them to navigate the ups and downs of their journey with optimism and determination. Innovation and risk-taking. Innovation often requires taking risks, and with risk comes the possibility of failure. Winners understand that groundbreaking ideas and solutions are rarely achieved without stepping into the unknown. They are willing to take calculated risks and embrace the uncertainty that comes with innovation. Steve Jobs is a prime example of an entrepreneur who took risks and embraced failure on his path to success. Jobs' journey with Apple was filled with highs and lows, including being ousted from the company he co-founded. However, his willingness to take risks and his visionary approach led to revolutionary products like the iPhone and iPad, which transformed industries and created new markets. The power of persistence. Persistence is the driving force behind the success of winners. They don't let failures deter them from their goals. Instead, they persistently pursue their vision, making adjustments and improvements along the way. This persistence is often the difference between success and failure. Take the story of Colonel Sanders, the founder of KFC. Sanders faced numerous rejections before his chicken recipe was accepted. At the age of 65, after facing rejection more than 1,000 times, he finally found success. His story is a testament to the power of persistence and the idea that winners lose more often because they keep going until they achieve their goals. Building a support system. Entrepreneurship can be a lonely journey, but winners understand the importance of building a robust support system. By surrounding themselves with mentors, advisors, and like-minded individuals, they gain valuable guidance, encouragement, and diverse perspectives. This support network is crucial in helping them navigate failures and stay focused on their goals. With the right support, entrepreneurs can find the strength to persist through challenges, make informed decisions, and maintain their motivation. Ultimately, this interconnectedness fosters resilience and propels them forward on their path to success. A strong network can offer valuable insights and feedback, helping entrepreneurs see their failures from different angles. This external perspective can be crucial in identifying blind spots and finding new solutions. Moreover, the emotional support from a network of trusted individuals can boost resilience and morale during challenging times. Celebrating small wins. Winners understand that success is a series of small wins rather than one grand victory. They celebrate these small achievements, recognizing that each one is a step forward. This practice keeps them motivated and reinforces their belief in their ability to succeed. Celebrating small wins also helps in maintaining a positive mindset. It shifts the focus from failures to progress, creating a sense of accomplishment and momentum. This positive reinforcement is essential for sustaining long-term effort and commitment. Embracing failure as a path to success. In the entrepreneurial world, winners lose more often than losers because they embrace failure as an essential part of their journey. They learn from their mistakes, cultivate resilience, and maintain a growth mindset. Winners are willing to take risks, persist through challenges, and build strong support systems. By celebrating small wins and continuously learning, they transform failures into stepping stones toward success, understanding that each setback is a valuable lesson that brings them closer to their ultimate goals. This relentless pursuit of improvement and unwavering commitment to their vision sets winners apart on the path to success. The next time you face a setback, remember that failure is not the opposite of success. It's a part of it. Embrace your failures, learn from them, and keep pushing forward. In the end, it's not the number of times you fall that defines you, but the number of times you get back up and keep going. Winners lose more often because they never give up, and that is the true path to entrepreneurial success. If you found this video informative, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more content. Thank you.